Kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. Proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, thing, or animal. The initial letter of a proper noun is always capital. For example, Rizwan is eating a mango. Canada is a beautiful country. February is the second month of the year. Hyderabad is an ancient city. So here, Rizwan, Canada, February, and Hyderabad are proper noun. Common noun. Common noun is the general name of a person, place, thing, or animal. It is written with small letters. For example, my cat is hungry. She is talking with a boy. Sarah is watching a movie. There is a newspaper on the table. So here, cat, boy, movie, newspaper, and table are common noun. Collective noun. Collective noun is a name for a collection or a number of people or things regarded as a single unit. For example, he came from a huge family. The class waits for its teacher quietly. The police are coming. He is the oldest player of our cricket team. So here, family, class, police, and team are collective noun. Material noun. A material noun is a noun that can be identified through one of the 5 senses: taste, touch, sight, hearing, or smell. It can be found in the form of heap or mass. For example, I have a gold necklace. This bottle is made of glass. Cotton dresses are very cheap. Iron is not a bad conductor. So here, gold, glass, cotton, and iron are material noun. Abstract noun. An abstract noun is a noun that cannot be perceived using one of the 5 senses. You just feel or think about. For example, my father is full of wisdom. She craves freedom. We have lots of hope. I have a great pride in my work. So here, wisdom, freedom, hope, and pride are abstract noun.